Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. We all get that occasional phone call where a customer will ring and say, the headlight doesn't work, can I come in, can you put a new globe in? We've all had that comment, but now we have to remember the vehicles we work on and the type of headlight globes there are out there. So we're not just talking about H1s and 2s and 3s and 4s anymore, we're talking about a plethora of different globes, some that are filthily expensive as well, as we probably all know. So you take this Toyota Corolla, you think Corolla, it's going to be a H4, H7, whatever it might be, globe in it, not the case anymore. So we've got a case study here where someone's actually pointed out which globe goes into the vehicle. So it's a single filament globe, even though it's a high and low beam headlight. So it's, they're using flaps and shutters to change the element of the globe. So just be very, very careful before you give anyone an idea of costings, whether it's a Lexus or a Toyota, etc., which globe goes into it. So we've got these range of globes, D1, D2, D3, D4, D8. They are all very expensive globes. So, and again, sometimes depending on the vehicle, you might have to have bumper bars off, etc., if it's a VW or an Audi as well. So just be very careful when it comes to globes and giving any indication of a cost to a customer to replace a headlight globe until you've seen the car and determined which globe goes into that particular headlight. So hopefully that helps you out. If you're a TAP member, make sure you're consulting your repair solutions on a daily basis. Use Techtina, your research assistant, to find the information on the website, a new great feature within our website. And if you're not a member, you'd like to get access to all this sort of stuff, go to tap.net.au and click up on the sign up now button. See you then.